How to fix Instagram Reels option not showing. So, the first step is by opening your settings and then go to General, go to iPhone Storage and look for Instagram. So if you're having a hard time looking for Instagram, make sure to click on this search icon found on the upper right corner of the screen and search for Instagram. Click on Offload App right here and make sure to click on Offload App once again. So what this will do is that it will delete the cache of your Instagram. And also, once you reinstall the app, all of the bugs should be fixed. Like the problem that you are having right now, which is the Instagram Reels option not showing. So again, make sure to click on reinstall app once you have offloaded the app and go ahead, open the Instagram, and you may now be able to see the Instagram Reels option. So that's it. That's how you can fix Instagram Reels option not showing.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.